Our homeowners have asked for a little bit of solar power on this house. So up here from the third floor, you can see the roof that we're putting it on. It comes off the second floor. Danny is our installer. Danny, good to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too, Kevin.
So I'm told you're giving us a new type of panel, sort of a low profile panel?
Low profile panel, it's a roof integrated panel or solar system.
So what does that mean?
So it's going to be directly attached to the roof. And when I say roof integrated, there's not going to be shingles underneath. The solar panels actually act as the roofing system.
Really? Okay, so I am seeing some shingles, but these are just going to be around the perimeter?
Yep, yeah, we'll step flush with the shingles underneath, but other than that, we just have our roofing underlayments directly underneath the panel.
So you can sort of see it here, shingles, which we're used to. This is the peel and stick layer.
Yep, that's exactly right.
So under the panels, we'll have the peel and stick, and then this layer right here.
Yep, the fireproofing layer. That's what makes our system Class A fire rated.
Nice.
That's what allows it to be so close to the deck.
All right, Heath, you're clipped in. I appreciate you helping out. I know you would have anyway, but you actually have to do this, right?
We do. So yeah, in Massachusetts, we're actually required to have a licensed electrician assist in the installation of solar panels.
Danny, have our best man. All right, oh, let me get out of the way. Panels coming in.
So I'll take one in if you just want to keep feeding it.
So first of, you said 6 panels, Danny?
6 panels, that's right.
What are we looking at here?
So we're looking at our 360 watt solar cell, 60 cells within this solar panel. Like we mentioned earlier, we've got our racking integrated into the panel on all sides. What's really special about this one is how each panel integrates with one another. The next panel will sit on top and engage with this rubber gasket to prevent any wind-driven rain.
And these feet right here along the back?
So these feet are what attach to the deck itself.
Yep.
So we've got 5 feet on each panel. These are adjustable too, so if you've got a wavy deck, we can actually adjust these to keep a straight level plane across the solar panels.
And then this guy?
Now this is the brains behind the operation. This is a microinverter. So this is actually what takes the DC power from the solar panel and converts it to the AC that's usable in the house.
So you're going to take one, you're going to start down to the far end and work your way back?
Work our way back. We've got 3 panels in one row, and then we'll hop up to the second. Each one of our panels has a grounding lug. This grounds the whole system to one another. And this is where all our wires, all our feeders, our AC wires, and our grounding is going to come through via our junction box. So next component is our top flashing support. For each one of my top flashing is going to cover this whole section.
So what sort of an output are we going to get from this array?
So from this array, we've got 6 panels, 2.16 kilowatts on the DC side.
Any guess how much of their power load it's going to handle?
On average for this system size, it's going to feed about 20% of their usage.
Cool. All right. Well, Danny, thank you very much. And, you know, feel free to keep our electrician. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.